So if you were to guess, what would be my #1 new fragrance release from 2017? Hey fragrance family, I'm Daver. Welcome to Fragrance Bros, of course your best source for everything fragrance related. Today we're going to talk about my favorite fragrance that was new from 2017. Now 2017 had a lot of new releases and many of them were very, very good. I've reviewed some of them, of course, last year, but there was one that really stood out that really just blew me away. It was out of left field. I was not expecting this at all. And that fragrance, which was my favorite one, was Eccentric 04 by Eccentric Molecules. Now I have a full review. If you want to watch it, I'll have a link up here. I'll go into more detail on that. Essentially, what Eccentric 04 is a riff off the molecule Javanol, which is a synthetic ingredient that smells like sandalwood. Molecule 04 and Eccentric 04 are kind of brothers. Molecule 04 is just Javanol, which by itself is actually very, very good. It's a brilliant, just single note that has a lot of depth and dimension to it. Eccentric 04 plays upon that one note and then adds additional notes on top of it to make more of a traditional fragrance that we're all used to. The reason I really love this is because for one, it's just an amazing scent. It blew me away when I first smelled it. It's just immediately likable. It's rich and deep, yet has really fresh high notes and green and almost like this really likable sour quality that is really great in this. It's a very unique scent. The only scent out there that I know that kind of is in the ballpark of this is Allure Homme Edition Blanche. And it shares a little bit of a similarity there. But this one, I think, is just superior to that. But besides it just smelling great, one thing that really surprised me was just how many compliments I got from this. It was almost comical. Every time I would wear this, someone would give me a compliment, and it was like, it was the best thing they'd ever smelled before. So, needless to say, I wore this a lot. And I didn't think it was super loud, but apparently a lot of people smelled me and they didn't complain at all. So it's just one of those fragrances out there. If you want a fresh scent that smells unique and different, that could be a signature scent, that is likable, that's inoffensive, that's fresh, has a lot of dimension to it, compliment getter, come on, go with Eccentric 04. That's just my favorite scent from 2017. Absolutely love it. Cannot recommend it enough. What was your favorite scent, new release from 2017? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below on your way out. I'll see you next time. I'm Daver with the Fragrance Bros. Bye. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other channel, Beast Made Reviews, where me and a friend review high quality products for men. You might like it. Go check it out.